Good morning one and all. Now in this class we'll be studying about the steps in location selection. Now first of all you need to remember that what you mean by location. Location means what is the exact location or correct right location should be selected. Okay. Like suppose think that a production manager he has set up a industry or set up a business in such an area that where he is not getting any kind of a profit, or it is incurring more and more loss for him, because why? The proper location was not being selected. So what do you mean by location selection? Like simple example I'll give you that. Like you can see during the college side and all that, the Xerox centers are surrounding the college area. Why? Because students can Xerox in that particular area because it is located nearby. Now just think that if the Xerox centers which were there, it was situated or located far away distant, like some industrial area and all that. That time what happened? It will be very difficult for them to select, means get that much profit. So first main important thing is what? Right location. Exactly the correct location has to be selected. Now for that we'll be studying about which are the steps in location selection. In that first one is what? Deciding on domestic and international location. Now what do you mean by domestic? Domestic means what? Within the country. If the industries are to be run or they want to start the industries in the country only or within the country only, so proper they have to decide on the domestic location, means proper area should be decided for that. And international location, or they want to expand their business in some foreign countries or international business which is there, so like that way they need to decide the international location. So deciding on domestic and international location, if they want to build up the industry or set up the industry in the domestic area or within the country only, so there they need to decide properly. And international location also, or if they want to set up the industry in the foreign countries. Then the second one is selection of region. See, after selecting the location, they need to select the area or the region. In that, the sub points you can see that availability of raw material. Availability of raw material means what? First of all, they need to consider, because they want to start up or set up the industry, they need to consider that whether the proper raw materials are available or not. If they don't get the adequate raw materials in order to manufacture that particular product, then what happens? The product or the process will not go easy. So first of all they need to see whether there is a availability of raw material, whether the raw materials are available. If they want to order, if they want to order it from the other company and all, Then next, nearness to market. Now what do you mean by nearness to market? Like when they have set up the industry, they have already decided the location, means the area that such industry should be covered in this much area or location. Then apart from that also they need to decide whether the industry is near to the market or not. Means here the customers easily they can purchase the products from that particular industry or that particular area. Like simple example I have given you that about the Xerox centers which are there. If the Xerox centers were not located near the college side, because the students are in a need in order to Xerox the paper. But suppose think that if the Xerox centers were located far away distance, then it would not be possible for them to go in that much far away distance and Xerox. That is nearness to the market. Then availability of power. See, power also is very much important. The power or electricity. They should get a proper supply of power or electricity. Because suppose some companies which are there, they are only run based on the current requirement is there, or only run based on the power or electricity. But suppose think that there is no power connection or there is no proper supply of electricity, that time what happens? The company or industry cannot run. So they should keep into mind that there is a proper availability of power or electricity, means proper supply of electricity or power. The next one is transport facilities. Now this is also one main important thing, that the proper transportation facility should be made available if the goods are to be carried from one place to the other place. Now this also will be depending based upon the distance covered. If the distance covered is a short distance, okay, so which kind of a transportation facilities should be made available, and if the distance covered is a far away distance, okay, so like that way, based on that, proper transportation facilities also should be made available. Or suppose if the goods are to be exported to the other countries, okay, so based on that also, which mode of transportation is required, whether the goods should be transported through airways, railways, shipment, okay, so these all will come in transport facilities. Then suitability of climate. Climatic conditions are also very much essential part, okay, but suppose think that if the climatic, based on the climatic conditions also it will decide, okay, how the goods will be having demand in the market. Then the third one is selection of community. In that you can see the sub points which are there. In that, first one is what? Availability of labor. Availability of labor means what? Now suppose think that you have decided one area, okay, or you have decided, the manager has been decided one location, so he should keep into mind that whether the labor are proper laborers are available or not, and also they should try to get the skilled labor who are fully skilled, fully trained and knowledgeable in order to do that particular work. So that is availability of labor, whether the laborers are available in the area or location being selected. Then next one is amenities for workers. Now what do you mean by amenities for workers? Means proper facilities should be provided for the workers. Like just imagine that the workers are working in one department and there is no proper transportation facilities and there are no proper facilities being provided to them. There is no proper ventilation, there is no proper drinking water facilities and all that. That should not happen. Means the management should take a proper care in order to provide proper facilities to the workers. Now in which department the worker is working, no, he should take a proper care that there is a proper lighting facilities being provided, okay, then there is a proper ventilation facility being provided, okay, then proper drinking water facilities are provided, there is no much heat or pressure. So these all are the facilities provided for the workers. Then availability of water and fire, means whether proper availability of the water also should be done and fire. Then last one is local taxes and restriction. Taxes also will be imposed for certain things. So on what basis the tax will be paid, and certain restrictions are to be done. So these are the steps in location selection. Only need to remember that, okay, means proper area or proper location has to be selected, and deciding on domestic and international location. If the industries are to be set up within the country, that is a domestic area, or if the industries are to be set up outside the country, okay, in foreign countries, then selection of a region has to be done, whether it's proper availability of raw materials and nearness to market, okay. Now whichever the industries are located, it should be near to the market so that they can be more profitable. Then availability of power or proper supply of power or electricity. Then there is a proper transportation facilities being provided in order to supply the goods from one place to the other. Then suitability of climate based on the climatic conditions, okay. Then selection of community, availability of labor, whether they are getting a proper skilled labor, and amenities for workers, means what facilities are being provided to the workers, and they should provide proper facilities to the workers like proper heat, lighting, okay, proper ventilation. Then availability of water and fire, and local taxes and restriction. So this is all about the steps in location selection.